Side lunges are one of my favorite exercises, but how do you know what intention to bring to them? So should you push to the other side using this glute, or should you pull to the other side using this adductor? So I don't know if you ever thought about that before. The intention you bring to an exercise completely changes what muscles are showing up for you. So for the side lunge, you want to think about what's your adductor strength like. So you can test your adductor strength by squeezing something and just feeling the muscles, and honestly just feeling the bulk of the muscle. So when I have patients that have weak adductors, there will often be one very large adductor muscle and one that's almost non-existent. So you can do it that way just to even see if you have an imbalance. But when you think about doing those side lunges, I want you to think about trying it both ways and seeing how it feels. So you can push over using this glute medius, or you can pull over using this adductor. So what I recommend, if you need both glute medius and adductor strength, I recommend doing it both ways. Just do one set one way and one set the other. So pull, so I'm pulling to the side using this adductor. So pull, or I am pushing, push. So give that a try and see if you can't feel the difference with intention that you bring to the exercise when you push versus pull, and see how that feels on your pelvis, and see which one your body likes better.